If you've noticed your screenshots automatically being saved to OneDrive and want to put a stop to it, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the most up-to-date method for preventing screenshots from getting backed up to OneDrive without your say-so. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to take control, so your screenshots go only where you want them to, giving you more privacy, saving your cloud space, and cutting down on unwanted clutter. Let's dive right in with the first thing you need to do: adjust your snipping tool settings. Microsoft has been updating the way screenshots are handled, and as of recent updates in 2025, the OneDrive app itself no longer has that one simple, automatically save screenshots toggle many of us remember. Instead, your screenshot saving behavior is controlled directly from the Windows snipping tool. So here's what to do: pop open your snipping tool app. You can do this quickly by tapping your Windows key, typing snipping tool, and hitting enter. Once you've got it open, look for the three little dots up in the top right corner. That's your More Options menu. Click on those dots and select Settings from the menu. Now scroll until you spot the option labeled Automatically Save Screenshots. Go ahead and toggle that switch off. This tells Windows not to automatically save any snips or screenshots to your Pictures folder. It's a tiny change with a big effect. From here on, you'll choose when and where to save your images, instead of letting Windows handle it by default. Now, even with that setting off, you might still see screenshots ending up in your OneDrive. Why is that? Well, by default, OneDrive tends to back up your entire Pictures folder, and on Windows, new screenshots are dropped automatically into Pictures screenshots. If OneDrive is syncing that folder, your screenshots will continue to make their way to the cloud. To stop that from happening, let's adjust OneDrive's backup settings. Down in your taskbar, look for the OneDrive Cloud icon. It's usually near your system notifications. Right-click the icon and head into Settings by clicking the little gear, then again on Settings in the drop-down. Next, switch to the Sync and Backup section and choose Manage Backup. Here you'll see a list of folders OneDrive currently backs up. Find Pictures and simply toggle it off or select Stop Backup. You'll probably see a confirmation prompt. Go ahead and accept. Don't worry if you're unsure. This step only stops future changes from syncing. It won't delete your existing photos or screenshots from OneDrive. This move means that from now on, screenshots saved to your local Pictures folder stay local. They won't automatically shoot up to the cloud anymore. Now there's one last thing to double-check. On some older versions of Windows, or for certain users, there might still be a legacy option in OneDrive. If you're not seeing your settings match up perfectly with what I've described, go back into OneDrive settings and check the Sync and Backup tab, or in some versions a tab simply called Backup. Look around for a checkbox labeled Automatically Save Screenshots I Capture to OneDrive. If you spot it, just uncheck that box and you're covered. And that's it. By following these steps, you've taken back control over where your screenshots end up. No more surprise uploads to the cloud, and no more digging through OneDrive to find a screen grab. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you have any questions or need a bit more guidance on any of these points, please drop a comment below. I'm here to help. And of course, make sure you subscribe for more straightforward tech tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and happy screenshotting on your own terms.